Hi Dressed Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw Lauren's side, so let's get started. To draw Lauren, let's first start by drawing her face. So I'm going to come right here and basically start with a bottom of a U. On this side though, it's not going to be as high because she has hair that's hitting the side of her face, but I'm just going to start on the same level on the other side and then pull this one higher. So I'm just going to create this bottom of a U first. There, got that nice curve down right here. And then on this side, I'm going to pull it up a little bit more. So that would be the usual curve that I would make for the face. But then, because like I said, this side, there's a strand of hair coming close to this side, so I'm not going to go as high. Okay, so using this as my guide, I'm going to come right across on this side and create a circle really close to the edge. So if you're using a pencil, definitely just draw a line right here. So I'm going to go to the other side and do the same thing. Okay, so I've got 2 circles in. Let's come in here and make them draw so cute eyes. So 2 small circles inside for highlights and a curved line at the bottom. And shade in the top. And lines at the bottom, and same thing over here. So thank you for all the requests for to draw this famous YouTuber here. And sorry it took so long. Thank you so much for being so patient. And thank you for always requesting and teaching me about all these new famous people. Without you guys, I would be lost. Okay, so I have the eyes in. So then let's come to the side right here, and I'm just going to flick out a curve and thicken it up. It's kind of like her eyes, her eyeliner that she has for her makeup. So one thick curve right there. And then let's come to the top, and we're going to draw her brow. So let's come up about right here, and I'm just going to give myself an arc. She has pretty prominent eyebrows, so pretty high arc, so I'm just going to thicken that up, and same thing over here. We go high up and then down and thicken it up. And I just come in here and shade it in. Okay, so then from there, let's give her a smile. And so about right here, I'm just going to draw a curve up and then give her a pretty big end cap right here, a curve. Because when she smiles, she has her cheeks. So there. Okay, so then from there, let's start to draw the rest of her hair. So I'm going to come to the side, say about right here. I'm just imagining this oval, so I'll say about right here. Give myself a point. From this point, I'm going to create a curve coming down for this side. And then on this side, like I said, there's a strand of hair that's going to come right down, and it's going to hit this point right here. There. So that's for her hair, and then this is where her hair parts. So I'm just going to start with a curve right there. And I'll just bring this curve down. Flick it out, and then let's start with I'm just going to give myself one strand of hair first, so just a little bit in this main prominent strand of hair that I'm going to draw. to come down. So then I'm just going to come up a little bit more, still curving, flick this side out. And so now I'm going to start to part her hair. So this part's going to come down, this part's going to go up. So let's draw the bottom part first. So we're going to come down, and it's going to be pretty tapered to her hair because she's wearing headphones. So just come around close to her face and flick it out. And then on this side, we're just going to come up. Not too high because she does have headphones on, so, and her hair is pretty straight. So then I'll just come in here and tuck this part in right here. Because we still have headphones, we need to draw in this area. Okay, so that's the basic for her hair over here. So then now let's go and draw her headphones. So in this area I've created, I'm going to tuck in her headphones. So say right here, I'm just going to start with a curve, come down, all the way down. And then we're going to draw the second layer. So same thing. So this is the hard plastic part. And bring it in. This is the soft part. So same thing over here. About right there. I'm just giving myself some points, so approximate. Where did my point go? Oh, about right there, and same thing. There, got her headphones in. Because you guys said I should put headphones on her, right? And thank you for telling me what you thought I should, how I should draw Lauren's here. So I'm going to put the top part of this, I'm just going to draw a curve around her head. All the way back. And then I'm just going to thicken this. Just going to follow. Oh, there, finally. Okay, so now we have that in finally. Now let's, I'm going to finish her hair later because I need to draw her body first. So let's come to the center and we're going to give her a neck. So about right here. Right in the center, and then I'm going to come about right here and create a curve around her neck towards the center, because we're going to put her in a hoodie, because you guys also insisted I put her in a hoodie. And so thank you, like I said, for giving me all the suggestions on my community page when I asked you how I should draw Lauren's here. So then from there, let's come about right here, and I'm going to wobble a curve for her hoodie right there at the top. And then using this as my guide right here, I'm just going to go up and connect. Okay, so then finally we can come right here and just finish off her shoulders on both sides. And then let's imagine her armpits, so about right here and here. I'm going to start and draw a slight angle line. And then let's come in here, I'm going to connect it. And bring this down more. Okay, so let's bring down a little bit more. We're going to start to draw the hoodie first. I'm going to flare it out a tiny bit. About right there, I'll bring it in. And then I'll wobble my way across. Just a slight wobble. And then at the bottom right here, just give it a little cuff area for a hoodie. And then let's come down here right in the center. We're going to draw her legs. So right in the center, just create two angles. Legs will be coming from here. So I'll work on this side first. I'm just going to bring this down. So we're getting thinner as we come down. So about right there. About right there. Stop. So same thing over here. Okay, so then from there I'm going to go ahead and connect the curve, and I'm just going to give her a simple pair of boots. So right here I'm just going to flare it out. So at the bottom, give her the bottom of her boot, then the top part right here, and the two sides. And then just some details right in the center. So same thing on this side. Maybe this one's a little bit straighter, straight on. I hope I'm not going too fast, but oops, if I am, please just pause the video. Okay, finally her boots are in. And so I'm putting her in tights. So these tights are, I'm going to paint it in a galaxy pattern, because you guys also told me I definitely need to give her some galaxy print, right? All right, so then from there, let's draw her hand. And I'm going to start on this side first, since this one's a lot simpler, just on her side. So I'm just going to bring it down, and her hands are going to be in this area. So just keep bringing this down. And so because she is wearing a hoodie, the sleeves are going to be a little bit poofier. So about right there, I'll stop. Give it a little, what do you call this anyways? A cuff? And then her hand. I'm just going to draw a thumb and fingers. There, right to her side. So then the other one, she's giving a peace sign right here. So come out right here. And that was also suggested by you guys too, so thank you. And right here, I'm going to angle this part in. There's just so many suggestions. I'm so grateful, but I couldn't draw all of them. Like she loves bread and she has a dog. Okay. So there, I'm drawing that little angle right here where her hand bends. And then now to draw this hand. So let's start right here. We're going to draw a thumb that bends in. And come out right here, go around it. And then we're going to draw the two fingers. One, and they're going to be kind of apart. So two. And then there's going to be that forefinger that tucks in right here that's bent. So it's just a curve, and then the pinky, another curve. And then the rest of the hand. So just a very simplified way to draw peace sign for the hands. Hope that helps. Okay, so then from there, let's, now we can finish the rest of her hair. So, I have some space here. Let me just bring this in here. And then in the back right here, I'm going to give her some more hair. So just bring it in. Tuck it in about right here. And then on this side, bring some more out here. Maybe a strand coming in and then out. Okay. There. And so then now some details on her sweatshirt. Let's give her a pocket first. So about right here, I'm going to go straight across and then the pocket. Just going to tuck right in this area. And some detail right here. And some crease lines. And let's see. Okay, so then now, almost forgot, I'm going to draw a little drawstring right here. For some detail. And so then now in the center right here, I'm going to switch to a thinner Sharpie just because it's so delicate, and to draw the heart that she has. So to draw this heart that she has on some of her merchandise, I'm going to come right to the center and I'm going to create this little, what do you call this? Like a straighten out U. Right in the center. And from there I'm going to go straight across and then come down once again. So same thing on this side. Come straight across and down. So everything is very even. So whatever you do on this side, we're just going to repeat on the other side. So then come out. We're going to start to create the side of our heart, and we're going to come down. And we're going to come right in here. So this is going to be the same right here, this level. And come down again. One more. And so just be aware when you come down here, it's going to be, it needs to be in this area. So right there. So now I'm being able to create this line right here. So we want to stop exactly right at this point, this line, so that when we come down here, this bottom line is exactly right at mirroring this line right here. Okay, so that's the most important thing. You just want to make sure this line is exactly right here, and then we're just going to do the same thing on the other side. Oops. Okay, approximate. We have our heart in. Okay, so then from there we have the inside of the heart. So we're just going to come right here and draw another one of that, and then we're just going to come in and connect. Create a square right here, and same thing here. There. So I'm a little bit wider on this side, but that's the idea. And then come in here and we're going to create the eyes, which is like a sparkle. So about right here, just going to create these eyes. And right here, and a smile. And then right at the top right here, there's going to be another white square. Before I go, I just realized I missed two things. So right here is going to be another line to finish the inside heart, and then right here for the cuff of this arm. So they're finally all done. I hope you love my version of LaurenzSide and that I made it easy for you to follow along and draw it too. If you're a big fan of hers, please help me make sure that she sees this and hopefully she'll like it. Thanks so much for watching, and if you haven't already, please make sure to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.